I'm not joking. You people need to unravel me.
Why? You wanted to be our human Christmas tree.
Yeah, it was a good ass idea, but I need somebody to unravel me.
Why?
You get to do it.
You get to stay plugged in. Yeah, that's the fun part. You have to undress yourself.
Do you really want to do that?
Yeah. I kind of want to record you unraveling yourself.
Okay.
He walks towards me. You have to clean up your mess.
No, that wasn't the plan.
Plan?
What the fuck's stuck in my ear?
What's the fan?
That's what's in his ear. Look at it. Like 4 of them. What is he like, Amanda? A cat?
You're gonna put this on YouTube, right?
Plug yourself back in. It was funner. Plug yourself back in. Plug him back in, Amanda.
Do you want me to?
I have it tied in knots in places, Tommy.
I don't know where to plug it. Get one of the long ones that lit up, Amanda.
Let me go! Oh my God, I'm shackled. My name is Tommy Cucatinte Gold. What's your name?
Light him up.
You're confusing what your name is?
Something like that. I don't know. My slave name.
Slave?
Yeah, I was here.
Bells will be ringing.
And the lights attached to it. The lights. No! Light that, yay!
Can't get out.
I've got to sit down.
Hospital right now. What do you mean you broke your arm while you were wrapped up as a Christmas?
I'll do it right there.
Oh.
Can you just cut the
Oh, thank you for the fucking help, man.
Go hula dance.
You know what?
Shake,
This
shake,
annoys
shake.
me at the moment.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake your balls off.
What was that, Jeff?
Nothing.
Oh, no fun. Can you not get it?
No.
Do you need
I
assistance?
think he may need
I
some
can't
help.
get it. I keep bending the metal.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh, come on.
I know where it's going,
Let
but
go.
I
Let
can't.
go. Oh my.
Rudolph wasn't wrong. Nose ring.
What did I say earlier? Rudolph was a fucking homo.
Your leg's so bright.
Yeah, I'm putting this on Facebook and YouTube so I can tag you in it.
What? Do it.
What about Twitter? Is it on Twitter?
I'm not on
We're
Twitter.
not putting it on Twitter.
Twitter's gay.
'Cause that's beyond that.
What about MySpace? Another.
That's
Eh,
gay.
I don't really pay attention to MySpace
So
anymore.
you're only a Facebook kind of person.
Yeah. I have a MySpace, I just don't get on it. It's boring.
I'm on Zoom.
Boring. You mean Facebook's entertaining?
Yeah, it can
It
be.
is.
Okay.
You could talk to people you ain't seen since.
Yeah, this stuff's in like knots. Are you really gonna be able to get it all off?
Not without taking his pants off. There
Who
go the
puts that
pants. There go the pants. Sure, we're gonna get pants.
And I still got the hat in my back pocket.
Don't break them.
I ain't breaking nothing.
Why are the lights turned off then?
Doing my best.
Tommy, there's your phone.
You
I
take
appreciate
pictures?
that.
No.
But you know, Grandma needs these lights back. You know that, right?
Well, I guess you better untangle them.
No.
Who do you think's gonna get blamed for this?
Watch your butt so you don't hit the TV.
Oh yeah, please don't hit my TV.
Where'd
Our
you get
TV?
your head? Where are you holding your head?
Your hat that's attached to your wrist.
There your feet, please, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh
There
no.
we go. Fix it.
You gotta put the lights back.